Fix your eyesight, improve your vision naturally with palming. In our modern age of screens and constant visual and mental stress, we need to learn natural eye relaxation methods by reducing eye muscular tension and training your eyes. You can achieve improved vision. Palming and relaxation at the core of the Bates methods is a simple and powerful technique known as palming. In this exercise, you cover your eyes with your palms, creating a dark environment. This darkness relaxes the eye muscle and allows them to release tension. During palming, calm down your mind as well and let go of stress and mental strain. To practice palming, find a quiet and comfortable space to sit down. Cup your hands and gently place them over your closed eyes without putting pressure on the eyeballs. Breathe deeply and let go of any tension you feel in your eyes and mind. Imagine pure darkness and hold this image in your mind while palming. This practice is intended to create a sense of relaxation and relief for your eyes. Consistency and patience, like any form of natural therapy. The Bates method required consistency and passion. It's important to remember that the process of improving your vision naturally is not an overnight fix. Regular practice of palming, along with other eye exercises, can gradually lead to better visual clarity. Conclusion: taking care of your eyes should be a priority. Remember, the journey to better vision is about peaceful mind and eye training. More in-depth eye training online program, Eyesight Academy, link in the description below.